In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an RSS AI blog writing agent in n8n. If you're ready to simplify your content creation process with the power of automation and artificial intelligence, then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. To start, open your n8n instance. Once you're there, click on the Create Workflow button. This is where the magic begins. You'll want to give your new workflow a fitting name, something like RSS AI Blog Writer. This helps you easily identify its purpose later on. Next up, we need to set a schedule trigger. This trigger will dictate when and how often your workflow runs. Click on plus add node and search for the schedule trigger. You have several options here. You can choose to run the workflow at various intervals, every hour, every day, or every 30 minutes, depending on how frequently you want the content generated. Once you've decided, go ahead and save the node. With the schedule set, we'll move on to reading the RSS feed. Add another node by clicking plus, and look for an RSS feed read or RSS read, depending on your n8n version. Once you've found it, paste your desired RSS feed URL. For example, you can use https://techcrunch.com category artificial intelligence feed. After pasting the URL, click execute node. This will fetch the latest articles from the feed, and you should now see them appear. However, to ensure your blog doesn't publish duplicate posts, we need to add a data store node, or alternatively, you could use Google Sheets or Airtable. This step ensures that each article's URL is saved. Then, add an IF node to the mix. Here's what it does. If an article's URL already exists in your store, the workflow stops. But if the URL is new, the workflow continues. Now, RSS feeds often provide just summaries of articles, not the full content. To grab the whole thing, add an HTTP request node. You'll need to set its method to GET and use the URL.json.link link. Executing this node fetches the complete HTML of the article. With the full article in hand, we move forward with extracting the main content. Add an HTML extract node and connect it to your HTTP request node. Use CSS selectors to precisely extract the elements you want, such as the title, the content, and optionally, any images. Finally, to supercharge the process with AI, connect an AI model to the workflow. Add an AI agent or OpenAI chat model node, and don't forget to plug in your API credentials. This allows the AI to transform selected articles into polished blog posts with a unique touch. And there you have it. An automated AI-powered blog writing agent crafted right in your n8n platform. By implementing these steps, you're not just saving time, but also pushing your content creation strategy into the realm of automation and AI. I hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, happy automating!